not usually where I would do this, but I've got time, so I figured I would do it out here. Shot our limit in about an hour and 45 minutes. We're back at the truck already. I watched a bunch of birds come out of this field and back into the cattails. We got in there, Larry kicked up a deer and chased it all the way through. Kicked up a ton of birds, so I kind of thought we wrecked that spot. Kept pushing through it and ended up with a few. So here we go.
Stay, 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 stay. Good boy. Good. Come here, come here. I can see him running through the grass, buddy. Come on. This way. Come here. Okay. Okay. You're drooling. Ooh, good boy, Larry. Come on. Come, 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 come. Good boy. Stay, 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 stay. Come here. Come here, Larry. Come here. That was a hell of a shot, buddy. Oh, I see him. You don't smell him? You're crazy. Oh, of course. Maybe we'll never get there. Ow. Always good to use your gun to help you out. Larry, come here. Larry. What's this? Larry, come! Come here! Larry, come! Come here! Larry, what's this? Hey! Larry! Larry! You're so dumb. Come on, Larry. Come on. No bird. Come on. Good boy, Larry. Bring him here. Bring him here, buddy. Good boy. Here. Hey, bring him here. Good boy. Here. Come on, bring him here. This is not a meal. I know you think it's a meal, but it's not. You gotta bring him here. Whew. He's dead. Stop it. Enough. Enough. Stop it. All right. Young one. Not much for spurs. He's got one tail feather left after you dismembered him. We smelled that one, didn't we? Yeah. Rolling it. Rolling it like you'll never see one again. This way. Good job, Larry. Poor Marty. Here, bring him here. Can you bring it here? Good boy. Here. Bring it here. Good boy, Larry. Bring it here. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Hey, hey, bring it here. No, bring it here. I don't know what that is, the eating of the bird. I didn't get 2 labs, that's for sure. Whew. Oh. Look at that. Oh, you like that thing? Okay.